up, y'all? It's your boy. Y'all haven't subscribed. Click that subscribe button. Check your boys out. So Miley Cyrus is back. Miley Cyrus is back, man. She been doing a whole lot of things lately, man. I know y'all know about the twerking. And, you know, Miley really got people talking, man. She's back with a new video. The video is called Wrecking Ball. If I can find that video, I'm going to put it in the description box. So y'all definitely need to check that one out, man. In this video, man, this is a pretty nice song. You know, Miley's a talented girl, and she has some really good songs sometimes, man. But in this video, Miley forgot her clothes, man. Where was Miley Cyrus' clothes, man? And licking on this hammer, walking around with pretty much nothing on with these boots on. I don't know what Miley's doing, but I mean, the young lady's talented. I want to know what y'all think about Miley. I mean, it seemed like all of a sudden her whole style changed. She's just doing something totally different. I don't know. I guess that's what happens when you get a little bit older. You want to be an individual. But you know, man, there's a lot of people still looking up to Miley. I don't know. I guess she feel that she's not a role model anymore. But I want to know what y'all think about Miley. What you think about the new song, Wrecking Ball? And I know y'all saw the VMAs with all of that twerking and stuff. Holla at your boy in the comment. Tell me what you think about Miley. It's your boy. I'm out. Deuces.